how to set up fixed saving goals on Opay. Now if you're using Opay and don't know how to set up your fixed saving goals, here's how to do it. Just click on finance at the bottom here, and then you see a word target, save box, fixed, spend and save. You're going to click on fixed. Then you choose the plan to start. Your duration 7 to 60 days, 6 to 180 days, 181 to 364 days, 365 to 1000 days, 181 to 364 days, 365 to 1000 days. I'm going to choose this 7 days. You input the amount you want to put, so it's 1000. Yeah. Then if you want to disable interest, you can just choose that, but that's not wise, so don't disable interest. You can increase the period here, and then once you increase the period, the maturity date will change, of course. You can also enable auto renew. Automatically renews your plan at maturity, so you never miss a day of interest. Opt out at any time before the current cycle is over. I'm just going to turn that off for now. You name your plan, let's say data, and then you just press next. It's right, you just video that to confirm. If you want strict saving mode, means early withdrawal before 24th results in total interest forfeit. Your principal amount will not be penalized. That is to make sure you don't touch your money. If you want to, you click on it. If you don't, just don't click on it, and then you press save. You press save again. Okay. You press pay and put your PIN or your biometrics. The payment will process, and you're done. And voila, you have now saved 1000 now for data, and you are to get an estimate of 2.87 naira. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful.